Welcome to Greenywish Storytime.
Meet Raju, a playful kid who loved to play all day long. His best friends, Ravi and Meera, always helped him clean up his messes. Raju is playing in his messy room, toys and books scattered everywhere.
Yay, more playtime. Who cares about cleaning up?
Ravi and Meera enter the room, looking around in shock.
Raju, your room is a disaster. How can you find anything in here?
You need to start being disciplined and clean up after yourself, Raju.
Raju grins mischievously.
I bet I can clean this room in 1 minute. Watch me.
Ravi and Meera exchange skeptical looks.
Alright Raju, we'll time you.
Raju starts frantically tossing things around, making an even bigger mess. Ravi checks the timer.
30 seconds left.
Meera giggles as Raju gets tangled in a jump rope.
Raju, you're making it worse.
I guess cleaning up takes more than just speed.
Discipline means doing things the right way, even if it takes time.
And it's more fun when you can find your toys and play without tripping over them.
Raju sighs, then smiles at his friends.
You're right, let's clean up together. But this time, I'll do it properly.
The three friends start cleaning up together, placing toys in bins and books on shelves. Raju, Ravi, and Meera sit in the now tidy room, happily playing a board game. Remember kids, being disciplined helps you stay organized and have more fun. So, clean up after yourself and enjoy your playtime.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Come back for more fun and learning. Bye for now. See you soon.